Okay, welcome back. I would like to talk about how to shade more Venn diagrams using 3 regions. Okay, so our main topic today, how to shade Venn diagrams with 3 regions. Okay. All right, so that is kind of what we're going to do today. All right. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay. So we're going to have 3 regions. All right. So and this. All right. So we'll call that A. We'll call that region B, and we'll call that region C. And I want you to shade in this. Okay. So the intersection of A and B and C. So it's like intersection of A and B and then intersection C. So remember when we talked about intersection, we want to know where all 3 regions overlap. Okay? And they're all going to overlap right here. That shaded region will exist in all 3 circles or regions, okay? That is the only location where all 3 overlap. That is the only area where those 3 circles will overlap in that one spot, all right? And that's what intersection is, okay? So remember, this is intersection. Okay. We can do the opposite scenario where if we have, 3 regions again. Okay. A, B, and C. I want you to shade in the union of A and B and union C, or union A and B and union C. And that's basically all 3 regions. We have region A, region B, and region C. So that means we're going to have to shade in all 3 of the circles. Okay? You notice I'm not going outside of these 3 circles, the 3 regions, okay? Okay, that's the union. So that's pretty basic, pretty easy, right? Yeah, let's go to the next slide. And I would like to do this. Notice I'm using the same 3 regions. And let's go ahead and do this one. So we have the intersection of A and B, union C. So let me break that down. So right here is the intersection of A and B. And this is the union of C. Okay, so since we'll just use green and that orange color for this one, let's do the intersection of A and B. Well, remember, The intersection of A and B is right here. In other words, that's the region that overlap A and B. Okay? And now we want to do the union of C. That means we are including the whole region of C. So we're going to have to do that. And let me go ahead and fix this here. Okay, so that's basically all of this. Okay. And you see that all of region C is shaded and in orange, and the shaded region in green. And it's okay if the orange region overlaps that green, as long as the entire region of C is shaded, as well as the intersection of A and B. Okay? And that's when we want to do this one. So let's do another one, okay? And we're going to use the same three regions. Okay. This time I want you to shade in the union of A complement and B. Let's go ahead and use the color. Let's go ahead and do the complement of A. That means we're going to shade everything, every area except A. All right? And we can do that in green. So keep in mind, I am not shading anything in A. Can you see that? All right. And then in orange, we're going to shade all the areas in B. And that's going to be this. So I'm going to shade actually everything, so you can clearly see it. Okay. All right, very good. And let me just go ahead and put the circles back so you don't see that they're disappearing. So you can clearly see that region B is being shaded in. Okay, can everyone see this okay? I'm gonna clean it up for you a little bit. All right, and you notice that the region B is shaded and everything outside of A is shaded in green. Okay, so you notice that this area, okay, let me just kind of point that out. That area is not being shaded, all right? Okay. Okay, so there's one more I want to show you. All right, and I'm just going to do this right in the middle, because this will be my last one. All right, so we have region A, then we have region B, and then we have region C again. Now I want you to do this. The union of A and B, intersection C. So let's make sure that we are, this is the union, and then this one is the intersection, okay? So we don't get confused, we know which one is which. All right, great. So now let's go ahead and do that. So for this one, I'm just going to draw the 3 circles on the outside, and I'm going to do that twice, okay? And I want to do the union of A and B first. So when you think about the union of A and B, okay, that's essentially you're shading in, oh, let me label this first, okay, I apologize. A, B, and C, A, B, and C, just like we have in the big one here. When you shade the union of A and B, this is what it would look like individually. You would shade in all of this, okay? Just like that. All right. Feels like I'm drawing cartoon characters or something, or some kind of strange character. Okay, that's what it would look like. And these overlap. And then this one goes like that. Sorry, okay, we get the idea. And then the intersection, if you do that separately, then you're just shading in everything with C. And now you look at those 2 sub-Venn diagrams and you look at what area is overlapping. Well, you can clearly see that this area is overlapping right here. All right, that is the area that's overlapping. So you can just shade that in and you're done. Okay. So those are some basic Venn diagrams that you can use to help you with your future courses. I hope that this was beneficial to you. I really want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.